In this video, we'll show you what our logo and our tagline and our name of the business means. Hello, my name is Juliana. I'm from a business called One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories while increasing the integration of recycled material in our work. We have started the journey in sustainability, where we learn new things every day. We also recycle, upcycle, restyle, upstyle and reuse materials and clothing and fashion accessories. So, if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today in our channel. Thanks for watching. So our business One Gift World. So everybody do their business and they name after their names or after some other meaningful meaning. A lot of people name their businesses after their name or some other meaningful name that is connected to their name or to their career. I have named my business One Gift World because we live in one world, and my passion is to give gifts that will make people happy and smile. And also my gift to you is that I care about the environment and I want to give gifts that care about the environment as well. So hence One Gift World. Caring about the environment and caring about the world will lead me to care about humans that live in this world and in this earth, about all humans with different culture backgrounds. Hence, that's why I have put different colors onto my business, which is one, it's reddish, gift is greenish, and world is bluish. And also, this is the gift signature or my signature or everybody's signatures with hands with different colors in here, as is our skins with different colors in all over the world. And also we have got the tagline, conscious, unique gifts. I'll explain that to you. We produce jewelry and fashion accessories that are very unique. We use a lot of materials. We use a lot of mediums. So we do crochet, we do beadwork, we do stone, we do natural stones. We do a lot of things. We do beading, we'll do needle, etc., etc. That's why they're gonna be unique fashion-wise. They're gonna have an edge fashion-wise. They're gonna have a lot of genres as well. We're going from classics to modern to advanced, etc., etc. So they will be conscious because we will integrate a lot of materials that are collected throughout the years onto the op shops, such as wool, such as beads or other kinds of materials. So that's why it will be a conscious, unique gift. So and also it's not gonna be only my gift to you as a gift giving in terms of consciousness, in terms of being more sustainable in the environment, but also will be you to give yourself or to give your loved ones some special gifts that are unique, that care about the environment, that has got in mind the environment and you also. So we've got a lot of projects, and one of our projects is also that which we will try to employ people who may have been late or who may be elderly as well. So that's why it's a gift. My personal gift to you is that care about the environment and about human beings. So hence, it's one gift, it's my gift, and one gift is my gift to you and to the world, to look after you and to look after the environment. And that's hence conscious unique gifts. And please watch our products into our website and to our social media, which they all start with One Gift World, and you'll see what I'm talking about, because I do have great gifts. Actually, I do have great unique products. So hence the hands, which will be our hands with the gift to you and to the environment and to the human beings. Again, thanks for watching. Stay humble and nice, and please do subscribe if you are passionate about high fashion that care about the environment. Yes, do subscribe, and thanks again. Have a great day.